How to delete a header and keep the footer on Wix. To do it, you want to go to your Wix editor right here, and then you want to go to your left side of your screen, and then click on Pages and Menu. And right here at the side menu, you can just choose any of the page that you want to hide the header. You can do it on any page, but for example, I want to do it on my home section. And then at the chosen page, you want to click these three dots right here, and then choose settings. And then right here at the page settings, you want to go to layout and choose to no header and footer. And there you go. The header is gone, but the footer is gone too at the bottom of the screen. So be aware when you do this. And also to make your header gone on every page, you need to do it manually on every page that you have. Because for example, when I choose to click on the block right here, as you can see, the header was still there and the footer was also still be there. And then to hide only a header and keep the footer, first you want to go to the same settings like before and then turn on the header by choosing the standard. And then after that, you want to delete any of the element that was on the header. For example, I want to delete this one and this two and this one too. And then after that, you can actually shrink the size of the header so nobody can really see your header. And just like that, the header is empty, but the footer was still be there. That's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.